the economics and environmental economics. So I think, I hope you people would have understood these concepts.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Sir, I have a question regarding economics.
Sure.
We all are here the students of economics,
Yeah.
but we've been hearing a new word from UNO and other organizations, environmental economics.
Yeah.
Can you please explain us the difference between the normal economics and environmental economics?
I see. It means to differentiate the economics and environment.
Yes.
Environmental economics.
Yes.
A wonderful, very nice question. So it means you are understanding the concepts. So I think to explain these kind of the concept, I have to make a little bit activity over here. Okay, you will get the concept of this. So before going to the concept, uh, I will need the two person among you. So can I have those people? Yeah, please. Thank you. Come on. Anybody else?
Yes, sir.
You? Sure. Sure. Thank you. Thank you.
और सुनाए कैसी हैं आप? ठीक है? मुझे आपका फोन मिल सकता है थोड़े टाइम के लिए? हेलो बाबा। ओह शिट,
No.
क्या हुआ है?
ये क्या किया आपने? मेरा फोन तोड़ दिया।
टूट गया?
टूट गया। स्क्रीन
ओहो।
इसकी 10,000 रुपए में आती है।
मैं आपको नया परचेज करके देता हूँ, calm down प्लीज। हाँ, मैं आपको नया फोन लेके देता हूँ। चेक करें, ये ठीक है? इज इट गुड?
या गुड।
What happened?
सर फोन टूट गया था सर।
किससे?
मुझसे सर।
सर इन्होंने मुझसे फोन लिया था कॉल करने के लिए, तो बात करते करते गिर गया और
फोन
screen-
किसका था?
मेरा फोन था।
तो इन्होंने आपने कॉल करने के लिए
Yes, sir.
किया इसे?
यस सर, कॉल करने के लिए सर, तो गिर गया मुझसे सर।
तो दिन
मैंने सर मैंने नया परचेज करके दे दिया मार्केट से।
अच्छा, ये मार्केट में अवेलेबल था।
यस सर।
तो परचेज कर ली तो यू आर सेटिस्फाइड?
यस सर।
नो इशू। हाँ, ये तो मार्केट की चीज है, मिल जाती है।
यस सर। अच्छा।
आपका डैमेज क्लेम हो गया?
यस सर।
कोई मसला नहीं।
यस सर, सॉर्ट आउट हो गया थिंग सर।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू।
ओके सर।
Guys and girls, you have just watched this activity, okay? This is not the completion of that response, what I have to give to Samula's question. And his question was to differentiate between economics and the environmental economics. So in order to reply this question, I put some people for some activity. So one activity that has got finished and you have watched that. Now another activity, okay? To make you understand what is the actual concept between the difference of these two concept, economics and environmental economics so far. So before going ahead, I will require one lead pencil. Can I have the person who has? Thank you. Thank you very much. Another item, I will require a sharpener. If anybody, yes, sharp. So you have the sharpener. That's right. Fortunately, I think the people have in the pocket. So that's very nice. So look at here. Before that, going to whatever see in this hall, everything. Look, if I give the example, this is manufactured in the factory. Okay. So if I give you the example of this watch, this has been manufactured in the factory. So it means everything is manufactured in the activity. So for example, when you put something to make, that is called input. Okay, that goes into the machine, that is called process, and that at the end that comes an output. So it means there are three things. One is input, another is a process, and third one is output. So just give the example. I'm giving you the example. It's a very interesting example. You will learn the difference between this. For example, my input is lead pencil. Okay, this is lead pencil. This is unsharpened. This is an input, and my machine is a sharpener. Okay, and what will be the output? So output, when I will sharp it, and it will come ahead a very sharpened with the edge, that will be an output. Have you got everybody?
Yes.
So what this is an input, this is a process, and when it will be sharpened, that will be. So look at this activity. I'm going to put the input into the process. This is the process. Now look at here. Look at here. Look at it. Everybody can see. So it is being manufactured It is being manufactured. So the output has come in the form of, this is the role of industry. So look at here, the person's factory, the owner will come, he had an input, he processed it, and he produced the output of sharpened, and he will sell it in the market. Okay, it's clear. This is the process. Everybody is aware of this thing. But you people did not bother of this thing. That the manufactured person did not, everything has the value. This thing has the value. This thing has the value. But who will account? Who will give the value to this waste? Look at here. Nobody bothered this thing. The people who will give the value to this waste, because this is not a market good. Look at that example. Earlier you have studied. At that time when the person damaged a mobile of another person, because the mobile was a market commodity and it was easy to claim the damage of that person. So he claimed the damage. So there was an issue, and the person who has got the damage of her mobile, she was absolutely right. It's okay. But in this case, who will pay and claim this damage? Nobody. Here, who will come? The people and the area who belongs to the environmental economics. So this comes in the environment area. The people who will come for this waste, for the pollution, for the contamination, and they will come and they will give the value, because this is not a market commodity. Pollution is not a market commodity because damage cannot be claimed. So who will claim? So economists will come, those economists who will come to make the price and the value of this waste will be called as environmental economists, and the area will be called as environmental economics. So this is the difference between the economics and the environmental economics. In economics, you give the value to the market goods, but in environmental economics, you give the value to the non-market goods like pollution. That was all about the lecture. Have you got everybody?
Yes, sir.
Have you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.